My name is Emily Hall, and I'm an engineering senior here at the Academy of Arts, Careers, and Technology. Before we begin, I would just like to thank all of you for donating your time to come out to celebrate the juniors and seniors here at the Academy of Arts, Careers, and Technology. Today, I will be going over my past, my journey through AACT, and my future plans. Starting with my past, from kindergarten to 9th grade, I attended Story County School District. For elementary school, I attended a very small elementary school with under 50 students, 10 students being in my kindergarten graduating class, Hillside Elementary School. Throughout most years, I maintained perfect attendance. From middle school, I attended Virginia City Middle School, which is also a very small middle school. Throughout middle school, I became highly academically driven. Though my graduating class only had 40 students, I graduated as the valedictorian. Being highly involved in academics, I was a part of the Academic Olympics team, and I began to develop a passion for engineering. Throughout middle school and elementary school, I was highly involved in the National Archery in the Schools program, several years placing in the state championship, while my 8th grade year, I won the state championship, winning this bow. For my high school year, for my freshman year, I attended Virginia City High School, where I maintained a 4.0 GPA and perfect attendance. On top of my regular English class, I took English 101 at Western Nevada College. I was also a part of the varsity track and field team. While I decided to come to AACT for my sophomore year, to further my educational opportunity, I got accepted into the Engineering Academy. While I was at AACT, I have finished the year with a 4.8 GPA. Throughout my time here, I decided to devote myself to academics, involving myself in AP classes such as AP Physics 1, AP Physics C, AP Calculus AB, AP English Literature, and honors courses including Honors English, Honors Algebra 2, Honors Biology, Honors Pre-Calc and Trigonometry, and several dual credit courses at Truckee Meadows Community College, including English 102, Political Science 101, and Economics 101. Community service is a very big part of AACT. Several community service opportunities that I have been a part of is being a volunteer videographer for the Musician Rehearsal Center, and being a volunteer for a fall cleanup at my Catholic church. And where most of my community service hours come from, over 100, is the Motorcycle Racing Association of Northern Nevada, where I was a part of organizing race events and being a sweeper and a medic on the race course. Junior year, juniors are required to create a junior service learning project. For my junior year, me and my peers decided to create a project with the goal of engaging younger students in STEM concepts. The STEM concept that we chose was 3D printing technology. We decided to visit Hillside Elementary School, my elementary school, and provide students with their own 3D printed toy, a presentation, and activity. While I have been here, I have maintained perfect attendance and a 4.0 GPA. I have also been awarded several scholarships, including the Jiffy Lube Scholarship, the Doyle Foundation, the Millennium Scholarship, the Nevada Scholars Level, and the AACT Booster Scholarship. Extracurricular activities have been a very big part of my AACT life, motorcycle desert racing being the leading one. While I have been involved in racing 50 to 100-mile races, I have also achieved a sponsorship by the business Motosource. In the fall of 2022, I was involved in the Reno Sparks mountain bike composite team. While throughout my sophomore year, I was exposed to both the welding and the manufacturing side of the Engineering Academy. For my junior year, I decided to stick with the manufacturing side. Being in the manufacturing side, we are highly involved in 3D modeling, our 3D modeling software being SolidWorks, where I'm on path to get a certification in a few weeks. We also experiment with several forms of 3D printing. And we work highly with electronics and programming, such as Arduino C++ and LabVIEW block programming. Several projects I've been involved in that include LabVIEW is this conveyor belt sorting system and this vending machine. For my junior year, our class was tasked with designing a holiday ornament. My holiday ornament that I designed was voted to be sold by the student store, as seen here. In my engineering principles and design class, I created this ballista. And while I've used my own engineering skills achieved from this class for my own personal benefit, I have developed a few things, including this Arduino stack dispensing machine, as shown right there, which regulates serving sizes, and this Arduino RC car that can be powered with a mobile phone. Throughout my time here, I have won the Engineering Academy Award every year, which is given to 2 students in each grade. The NASA Human Exploration Rover Challenge is a big part of my AACT career. For 2022 to 2024, every year I've been here, I have represented the team as its female athlete. Every year, the NASA competition challenges students from around the world to create a human-powered vehicle and showcase it in Huntsville, Alabama. While this year I have taken on a team leading role specializing in the collections tool, our team has highly organized team meetings weekly focused on the wheel construction, athlete training, and creating engineering reports and presentations for NASA officials. We have also engaged with over 350 middle school students. While I focused on the development of the task tool, we evaluated the challenges provided by NASA, developed a solution, manufactured it, and tested it. While the excursion arrived, we engaged in the mission readiness review, where the rover was evaluated and weighed. Throughout the excursion, the rover attempted every obstacle and task, ending up placing second in the world. For the 2024 competition, or the Human Exploration Rover Challenge in general, it is an incredible academic opportunity. While students from all over the world are involved, it allows us to engage with a variety of mindsets. And as it pushes us to be exposed directly into the engineering design process, there's a lot to be learned. For my future plans, I will be attending the University of Nevada, Reno, where I will be a part of the Honors College. I will be majoring in mechanical engineering. Several of minors that I am considering is aerospace engineering or computer science. I have several goals. While at UNR, I want to maximize my educational experience. To do that, I hope to achieve an internship, an engineering-based internship, and possibly become involved in several engineering-based clubs, such as the Aerospace Engineering Club or Wolfpack Racing. And while I did not mention, I own a small 3D printing business on the side that I run through Etsy and eBay. I hope to expand this business and possibly obtain a part-time job. While the future is unknown, there are several career possibilities, possibly working for NASA or Lockheed Martin, or maybe being an Imagineer for Disney. Coming to AACT has perhaps been the best decision I have ever made. Before coming here, as I went to Virginia City, it was very small and lacked academic opportunity. However, coming to AACT put me in a completely new environment, full of ambitious learners that are driven to become a better version of themselves. Being exposed to these people has made me more ambitious and driven out my goals, made me more passionate to become an engineer and more certain in my ability to do so. While I used to be reserved, coming here has made me much more outgoing. Thank you. Do you have any questions?